privacy, privacy, privacy. It matters. And we need to make sure that the team understands that. You have choosing the right AI partner. So, like I said, there's a lot of companies coming into our industry and they all say they have the next greatest thing. You really want to make sure that you're working with a company that protects patient data, that has real dental people on their team. Don't be afraid to ask the hard questions. In my book, Brush Up on AI, I actually have a guideline that you can use to go through and make sure that you're partnering with the right AI partner. The other thing is to realize that we want AI partners that one day they're all going to connect together. So Mango is going to connect with your practice management software, going to connect with your hygiene perio AI, and you're going to want AI partners that kind of integrate together. And then start to look at areas in your practice, and especially in the front desk. We are so busy at the front desk. There are so many things right now that if we can start to like the repetitive tasks, phones are really starting to get taken care of. Insurance, there are companies out there now that are using AI to help our insurance get better. Scheduling is coming. It's not there yet. But these are areas where your team is going to get more time back in their day. My last warning on this or suggestion is just be careful not to start too much at once. What you don't want to do is turn on all this AI and not be able to manage it the way I talked about, not be able to monitor it. And just like you wouldn't start 3 or 4 new employees at the front desk at the same time and just say, go, you want to have one, and we want to make sure that we guide it and it's doing what we want before you really go integrate a second one. There are companies out there right now that say that they can answer the phones, verify insurance, and schedule your patients. Well, I think that the 3 most important things that we do in the front office is answer the phones, verify insurance, and schedule patients. I wouldn't take 3 new employees and put them on those jobs all at once and let them go. I wouldn't do the same thing with AI. I'd pick one thing that it's good at and let's get it really working there before you start with something else. Because AI is going to give us time. And then what time is going to give us is it's going to give us more time to build relationships with your team members, with each other, with your family, because you're going to be able to go home at night on time and not be stressed about the practice because all the stuff's going to be done, and with your patients. And ultimately, that's what it's all about. So AI is here. It's not going anywhere. You don't need to know technology in depth to be able to start with it today. Hopefully, I've given you enough tips and tricks to help you. And then as you get faster and better at AI, you're going to help your team get back time in their day, which is at the end of the day, which is what we all need and could do better to serve our patients.